You make manufacturing and alternate energy as 20-25% of your core portfolio? Like, could it be the outsized bet, let's say, you took in NBFCs in 2010 and 2015? Could this be the core of your portfolio?
I think that entire cohort of capital goods, infrastructure, energy, auto ancillaries, defense, all of that put together is clearly the largest portion of the portfolio. You call it industrials if you have to, right, which is manufacturing or industrials. I think that is a core of our portfolio now for the next couple of years.
Are you bullish on L&T because you bullish on L&T because of the capex, but L&T also has IT.
Yeah.
And those IT companies are going through their own cycle of disruptive AI impact. What is your view there?
Well, now 35% of the value of L&T comes from the investments that they
Exactly.
made. As a shareholder of L&T, I'm happy they made investments in those businesses because they are not working capital intensive. In fact, they throw cash flows and they are compounding at 15-20% a year. So 35% of L&T's value is compounding nicely at 15, 20, 25% a year. I'm quite happy. I'm not as bearish on tech as most people are. Yes, we are going through a slowdown patch, but my sense is that AI will actually accelerate tech spending. I think that every company will have to adapt AI into their processes, and they will need products and tools and Indian IT services companies to help them to use that AI into their businesses, right? So I think AI with a little bit of lag, and we are already starting to see that. If you look at some of the hyperscalers in the US, they are talking about cloud spending coming back in a big way. Yes, everybody was a little cautious because we made such a big din about a recession in the US and Europe, and therefore people just held back decision making, they held back a little bit of budgets. But the US economy isn't slowing down. Even the last data that came yesterday was better than what most people expected. So I think in a quarter or two, tech spending will come back because you can't hold it back for too long a period of time. But I think otherwise L&T is changed dramatically from being an asset owner. They are again becoming an asset light business. They are in every area that we are bullish on, whether it is railways, defense. They are also doing stuff in hydrogen, oil and gas, EPC, renewables, building construction, and they are still one of the few companies who can do complex, large infrastructure projects.